There.
Yeah.
And a little bit more. And you have to remember, darling, we get fat if we eat too much. Small piece.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, very nice. And then wait.
Here too.
One for you and one for me. Yes, you can do. Too big.
I can do it.
That's really good.
No. Oh, very nice.
Okay.
Very nice.
Very nice.
And half for me. Half for you.
Okay.
And half.
Huh?
Yes.
Skal I huske, vi skal smage på den også, far?
Ja, vi spiser.
Heroppe.
No, this one for you.
For you. And you have one.
Vi får 2 gafler her. Så tager vi en ske fra.
Okay.
And 2 spoons. 2 spoons, and you have to feed each other.
No.
Yeah, then feed each other.
I give for you, you give for me.
Jeg sagde også, at de ikke må sove sammen, men den hoppede de sgu ikke på.
Ja. Har I fået generne til fat?
Perfekt.
One more time, darling.
One more.
Det er han godt lide.
Mm.
Var det nok ikke?